everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, if you missed the video where I introduced the new project car, and there's also a little something else that's going to happen with this car. You're going to get to see it completely converted over to V8. But we're going to do so once the car's done. Well, we'll talk about that later. But anyway, guys, 4-cylinder car. You're about to see us transform it into V8. 4-cylinder to V8. Let's go. All right, guys, if you caught the again the upload where I introduced you to starting this car, this is the car that's got the engine, fuel lines, all kinds of stuff in it. This is going to be the donor car, but we got to get it out of the boneyard here. So first we got to move this thing. Get this bad boy hooked up and get it drug up out of the way. Where are you hooking to? Well, come all right. You can see we got nothing. No wheel, there's no rear end, there's no nothing to put wheels on. This is gonna be a drag job. Ah! Hold on. Alright. Come on up. Uh-oh, door's coming open. Oh no! And the tractor's spinning. Alright, boys, so we kind of flipped the tractor around, the tires were starting to spin. Hook it up to the blade here. Should pull better than back it up. Alright. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Alright. Alright, there she goes. One of those come off? That figures. Nah, we won't need that AC bracket, will we? Might have a little water in the headlights, not sure. All right, there she is. Again. Up in the air. Hopefully there's no snakes or anything in here.
Well, the lizard's about that long on there.
Oh, great.
About 8 inches long. Probably that tall leaves.
Yeah, probably. Disconnect the K member.
No friends, no exhaust. They're pretty much about ready to come out.
Yeah.
You go get a big bucket, put all these bolts in.
We got that big ground right there.
There you go. Good place
Throw
for
them in the tractor.
a big boat bin. That's all.
We got this big ground right here. I think that's on. No, it's still something.
Here. We'll undo that so we'll have all the factory stuff here. Let me try to hold that top you unplugged into. We just do it as we lower it down.
Yeah. Whatever presents itself as it.
We'll just make it easy, yeah. Yeah, I need to go get the smaller stuff so I can get some of the grounds and stuff. Get an 18? I got an 18. I got the whole cycle trailer here. Oh, okay. You took your upper K member. There's 13 maybe. Let's get the pry bar now.
God, I'm on. Good deal. Can you get on the other one?
I'm gonna see how much.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm not bragging enough to get the damn bar off. It ain't gonna matter. Short circuit to the deep well. Bolts look nice, huh?
And we've got separation. Hey, something. Cut that. Yeah.
This is
It's unhooked. There you go.
it's still soft. Yeah, soft. Put on that valve. You can show up.
I think we're good.
Okay. All right. Swank up. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't see nothing. think it's that steering shaft. Steering shaft. Watch your feet. It's been a minute. There it goes. Yeah, buddy. We have birthed a 5-liter HO. It might have a leak or two. All right, boys. I think we got the harness all unhooked. We're good. As you can see, car's just a little nasty. I think we're all unhooked in here. We can start pulling it out. I get it unhooked under here. Should be able to pull it. Should be able to pull it all the way through.
You talking about that independent you put back in that red car? Look at that one.
Yeah, that one's been around the world. There she is.
Now we got to pull the harness through the firewall.
On out.
Yeah.
To get the dash
As far as I know, that it should just pull right out.
Like the fan and shit on your side.
Yeah.
Much on your side.
No, just HVAC. All right, guys. So we got our V8 harness out, and we do got the headlight harness out. You need the headlight harness because of the alternator is wired differently on a V8 car. I could not remember that, and yeah, alternators on opposite sides, 4-cylinder V8. Dash is out. We are getting the pedal assembly out. Dash is already out. I think that may be pretty much all we need. Of course, the engine and body harness out. And then, of course, we are going to need the booster, and then I think the coil, maybe the coil, who knows. But this car has had a hard life, but it's going to live on in another car, hopefully, soon. Yeah, it's had a hard life.
Oh, the booster.
Yeah, pedals in the booster.
It's a 14, I guess.
14?
14 or 15.
Alright. Coming out. Good deal.
Need brake wire. How you gonna do that?
All right, guys, so that is pretty much what is up. We're kind of at a stopping point here. Got the car pretty well stripped down, everything we need. Yes, I know it looks rough, but it's okay. It's okay. It'll all be cleaned up, and basically got to drop it in the 4-cylinder car, or lower the 4-cylinder car onto it. Once we kind of get everything tightened up, cleaned up, you know, the freaking valve cover gaskets are leaking like a sieve, and just quite a bit of stuff, K-member and all. Drop the car on top of it. So that is what is up, guys. Keep an eye out for this series. This is going to be a long series. This is part 1, and I still don't have a name. What should we call this, Dover? What should we call this project? I don't know. Alex, any ideas?
Should I be doing it?
Yeah. Another car, really? Are you serious? All right, guys, so that is what it's up. Help me out with a name. We've got to come up with a name, but this is number 1 of a long series, getting this car back together. Like I said, when I'm done with the car, yeah,